Enjoy yourself while camping with these tips. In an age filled with technology, electronics and a daily battle to escape from these communication pressures, vacation time should be as far removed from these intrusions as possible. Escaping into the great outdoors for some fresh air and no power outlets is always a great option. Everything you need to know about camping but were afraid to ask can be answered in the following video. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. When it comes to food, bring only what you need on a camping trip. Extra food out in the wilderness is a calling card for wild animals to come visiting your campground. If you do find that you have additional food, tie it up in cloth and hang it as high as you can in a tree away from your immediate campground. This will help keep you from unwanted animal introductions. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. Make sure you have a suitable water source. Even if you bring water with you, plan to need more water and know where you will be able to get more. It is a good idea to know where your water source will be before you go camping at all, but surely right after you arrive. Make sure you observe the campground rules and regulations. One of the biggest concerns is trash and also noisiness within a campsite. People often think that people can't hear them, but noise travels far in a campsite. It is extremely difficult to have any privacy, especially when people are supposed to be observing quiet hours. Now that you are a little wiser about the benefits of camping and what it can offer as a vacation choice, take some time to seriously consider this as your next vacation destination. You may be quite surprised at how much enjoyment it will bring to the whole family, despite the lack of room service. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.